I miss my wife. Stop headbutting Pomni! I guess that is what you'd call it. Stop biting Gangle! Hurt someone again. I dare you.
Are you guys ready for another wacky adventure?
Why do you look like that?
What?
Jeez, Raggy. I thought you would have already been used to the teeth. No, it's not that. Why does his face look like that? He's always looked like that? Sheesh. Maybe you won't be the first to abstract after all.
Okay, now that the problem of my appearance is taken care of, you will be solving the mystery of Mildenhall Manor. Not to brag, but it's pretty gay. You love gay, don't you, Zooble?
Yeah, I'm obsessed.
Well then, off you go. Oh, Zooble, the portal's that way.
Leave me alone.
I made it gay just for you.
Well, I guess I'm homophobic now.
Hello? Mr. Ghost?
These nuts.
Candace!
Candace who?
Wait, yeah, who's Candace?
Can I go?
Not until you tell me what you want.
What I want is to not go on these cringy adventures.
Cringe? Cringe? I can make these adventures not cringe. You guys like Minecraft, right?
Oh, Pomni, don't cry. We're only in hell.
Oh, it's not that. I mean, yeah, that sucks. I realized something. I can't sell feet pics because I don't have feet.
Well, not just feet. You don't have lots of things. Like no arms, no ankles, and even no ears.
I can't believe the adventure's already over. You didn't even sabotage anything.
I know. Ragatha told me if I interfered, she'd have no choice but to do that one thing.
We have to wait here until everybody's here. I hope Pomni and Kinger are doing well.
You know, Pomni, I miss my wife too.
Yeah?
Wait, I know what to do. Pomni, fuse with me.
Fusion? But Jax said that was just a cheap way to make players stronger.
We need to get out of here somehow, Pomni.
Phew, we made it.
Finally, let's get out of here.
Minecraft, Fortnite, Roblox, what do you want, Zooble? Don't make me go to puppy playtime.
Stop.
This is all I know about your generation. I mean, seriously, I don't know what there is left to give you. Do you want drugs, sex, violence?
Do you have weed?
Well, I'm glad that problem was solved. I thought we'd have to fuse there for a moment. What? What are you talking about?
Why are you always making stuff up?
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah,
Hey,
you know,
no, that's
lady.
stupid. I hate you. Die.
No.